Hey, what's up? It's your man Big John Restoration in Virginia Beach, Virginia. It's a black Magnum that came in. We didn't do no paint work or anything. We did the interior. The interior had all gray cloth seats. We wanted the seats done over. Black and charcoal. He wanted the bottom of the dash black, bottom of the door panels black. We two-toned the seats. Even the headliner, all of that was light gray. We two-toned the headliner, black and charcoal. The side panels. So this one, they're getting any paint work done right now. We just did the bottom of the door panels, which were light gray, like a silver. If you go on myspace.com or Facebook and put in John's Restoration, you'll see the before pictures where it was all gray cloth interior. We changed it up. Did the two-tone to it. Black headliner with the charcoal strip. (757-713-2277). If you want to get your interior done in Virginia Beach, John's Restoration. It's a Magnum. He's contemplating on getting the paint job. (757-713-2277). Let's go.